You know what? I'm planning a trip to the New England. Oh wow, UK is so much fun. I have been there too. Same here. When I was in UK, I went to the... Wait, what? New England is not in the UK, it's in the United States. And in this video, I'm taking you to 2 states in the New England region. So let's go. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Recently Traveled. As you know that I'm in the US right now, let me introduce you to my family with whom I'm traveling with today. So here is Rohit Jiju.
Hi.
My sister Bhavyati.
Hi.
And my niece Shania. Where are we going?
Ice cream, you scream, we scream for ice cream.
We are so excited.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you spin around.
Made it to Vermont and to the Ben & Jerry ice cream factory. It was a 4-hour very scenic drive from Boston. There are 3 things that you can do once you come to the Ben & Jerry factory. The first thing is that you try out your favorite ice cream here. The second thing is you opt for a Ben & Jerry tour where they tell you that how the ice cream is made. And the third thing that you can go to is the flavor graveyard.
My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
But for myself, the chunky monkey flavor, which is loaded with chocolate chunks, banana and walnuts. It tastes really nice, just like how bananas are. If you are not a banana fan, then you shouldn't opt for this one. They had almost 30 plus different flavors to try from. We got 4 flavors for ourselves and it costed us $28. Okay, so next up we are headed to the snow tubing. What are we gonna do now? No. We're gonna snow tubing.
Your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God.
I'm all set for the snow tubing. I'm gonna go up right up there on the mountain.
I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 and I'm here at Vermont. I checked in here last night. I'm staying at this place called Smuggler's Notch. And the room is pretty good. Now we are just cooking some breakfast, some green beans, boiled eggs. We just got out of a room. The sun is out and it feels so good. Now we are walking towards a place from where we have to start the snowshoeing. So if you don't know what snowshoeing is, it is basically an activity where you are provided some outdoor gears and you wear them and walk over the snow instead of walking through the snow.
These straps go over the top of your foot and you just tug them kind of equally tight.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense.
If you have ever wondered that how these ski resorts have so much of snow, it's because they are kind of supplementing the natural snow. And they do that by forcing water and pressurized air through snow guns, also known as snow cannons. So that's how they make the snow, and this type of snow usually has a lot more water content than the natural snow. So after the snowshoeing activity, we have built quite an appetite and we are here at this restaurant. It's a pizzeria near the Smuggler's Notch. We have ordered a pizza and Shana has ordered some mozzarella sticks for herself. We just checked out of our room and now we are gonna go for some skiing. So that's very exciting because I just recently did some skiing in Czech Republic. So I'm leaving a card in case you want to check out that video too.
Alright, this part's smooth. You waddle like a duck or penguin. Nice. You tiptoe like a mouse. with skiing and it was so much fun.
We are now headed to this state called New Hampshire, which is also known as the Switzerland of America. We are just getting packed up and ready to leave from Smuggler's Notch. One thing I often get asked is suggestions for a good card to use while traveling internationally. When I travel internationally, I do keep some cash, but I prefer card payments over cash, and that's because they are more hassle-free. I use my Revolut card and I've been using it from the last 2 years, and they have really improved my travel experience. They offer a 0% conversion fee while making international transactions. You also get discounted lounge access, plus free travel insurance for the card holder and one more accompaniment. The Revolut card works in 200 plus countries. So I will leave a link to it here in the description so that you can check it out. I use this card not just for my travels but also for my everyday spending. And this can be a one-stop for all things money. But anyway, let's continue our journey in New England. Took a short break while on the way to the New Hampshire. There's this town called Bethlehem and the houses here looked pretty cute, so I have stopped here. And that pink house that you see behind me is so pretty.
Maybe I could have seen it all coming.
It is so freaking cold here. I've still not made it to New Hampshire yet because the route is so scenic. Right here at this point we have stopped for a Mount Washington view. There's a lot of dense fog so we can't clearly see it. Mount Washington is the highest mountain in the northeastern United States. Approximately 50,000 people hike this mountain every year. Mount Washington is famous for its extreme temperature. On a good day, the visitors can see 5 states and Canada, but mostly bad visibility is more common.
That I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost?
So we checked into our new hotel for one night, but right now heading out to just explore the town and see what it is like.
We have stopped at this restaurant called Red Fox for dinner. And tomorrow we are headed to see the Mount Washington. We are going to take a train. We have just booked the tickets for it as well. So the train is not going to take us to the summit, but we are going to go to a certain point. And I'm very excited to take my first cog railway here in the US.
Translation, where nothing makes sense anymore.
So got done with the dinner here. It was a pretty long day, so heading back to the hotel. Good morning. So we are off to a late start today. It's 9 a.m. right now and we have our cog rail to the Mount Washington at 10:30. We are running super late but now quickly grabbing our breakfast and heading over there. Very excited for today. We stayed here for just one night and it was very comfortable. This hotel in particular is quite old. It was built somewhere in the 1800s and then it was burned down and rebuilt in the 1900s.
On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Mount Washington receives about 42 feet of snow per year, so that's a lot, right? And the cog railway that takes you up there was opened on July 3 in the year 1869.
Here for some time.
Right behind me is Pepper Sass, which is the world's first cog railway engine that was used to build track in the year 1866.
It's an exhilarating journey through history, technology, and nature. The Mount Washington Cog Railway, one of the world's great rail adventures, is right here in New Hampshire.
Time has gone and I grew up.
There are less than 50 cog railways in the entire world and Stadler is the only company capable of filling such an order.
I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises they come and they.
How was your Conrail experience?
It was amazing. This was the best part of the trip.
Awesome.
It's really a fun trip. Now we are headed back to Boston, and from Boston we have our flight to Houston late evening. So I end my vlog here, and if you liked watching it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again from a new place. Bye.
We have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's some